Hello everyone, I am Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Iowa. Welcome and thank you for joining me today. I wanted to spend just a few minutes and talk to you about the new starter kit. So May 1 through the entire month of May of 2024, Stampin' Up! Has an awesome joining special. And I wanted to talk to you about that today. So normally our starter kit is $99, and then you choose $125 worth of product, which and also free shipping. And that is still the same, except the month of May, you're going to get some additional products added, which is an $82 value. So that means the starter kit is valued at $207 and you still pay $99. Our brand new catalog goes live May 1st. And if your wish list is even close to $99, then this would probably be the best option. And if you've been thinking about joining Stampin' Up! Family, again, this is a perfect time to do that. So let me share with you the $82 value that is extra on top of what you choose for your starter kit of $125 worth of product. So you'll still get to choose the $125 worth of product, your choice, out of our new annual catalog. But plus, in that starter kit, you will also receive the 5 new in colors. And if you don't know already, our 5 new in colors are Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink, Shy Shamrock, and I better check to make sure, Summer Splash. They're beautiful colors. So you will get these 5 ink pads in your starter kit, plus you will receive 6x6 designer series paper in the in colors. You will get an assortment of the in color cardstock pack, which will include cardstock in each of our awesome new 5 in colors. So you'll get an assortment of the cardstock, plus you will get 5 markers. I don't have those markers to show you. But again, I just wanted to share that. And after you receive the starter kit, then you can receive 20 to 25% discount on your products. Starts out at 20% discount on all your future orders. And if you decide to join my Rustic Barn Stampers, and I would love to have you join, then a few things about the Rustic Barn Stampers. We have a monthly meeting on Zoom because we have team members throughout the United States. I also provide all my tutorials for my clubs and my classes and my retreats free to all of my Rustic Barn Stampers. And then I hold 2 retreats with some other demonstrators throughout the year. And for both of those retreats, then there is a discount for my team members. And they also, all of them free, receive the tutorials for those retreats. And I also offer training once a month through Zoom. And then on my in-person card classes that I hold monthly for those team members that are near to me, and I have several, then they're able to come to the card class at a discount. So again, I would love for you to be part of the Rustic Barn Stampers, and this is a great joining special with the starter kit. Reach out to me if you have any questions. You can email me at rusticbarncards@gmail.com, and I'll have that information in the description. And again, I just wanted to share that with you. And if you are ready to join, you know you've been thinking about it and you're ready, then I'll have that link that you can go ahead and click, and I'd love for you to sign up with me. All right, again, I am Terry Hartley at Rustic Barn Cards. Thank you for watching.